Hi, my name is Simon Dix, co-founder of DX Compliance. And at DX Compliance, we help protect banks and fintechs against multi-billion-dollar fines by utilizing world-changing technologies to change the way that anti-money laundering transactions monitoring is done. During the next hour, $131 million will be laundered through the global banking system. That's $131 million every hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The proceeds of organized crime. That's over $1.2 trillion laundered every year. Governments introduce law after law to try and stop this. But every single transaction needs to be monitored, and there are billions of them. Suspicious behavior needs to be detected in this. And it really gets about as chaotic as it looks on the screen. Financial institutions can't cope and have been fined over $40 billion in the past 2 years for breaching AML regulations. The way people and businesses transact has altered dramatically. Criminal behavior has changed with this, and this has rendered incumbent solutions inadequate. Systems were designed at a time when they were rarely required to integrate with one another. And AML teams spend their days switching between software providers, wasting 65% of their time in false positives, manually transcribing information between case files and reporting portals for the authorities. At DX Compliance, we built software to change the way that these AML teams work. Utilizing machine learning, we're reducing their workload by over 65%, and on average, increasing efficiency by 85%. We've made this configurable, integrated, and are able to automate much of the manual work that they're currently doing by thinking about those in-between steps. With our AML transactions monitoring system and built-in automated case management, AML teams do their work inside DX Compliance, eliminating manual transcription and uncovering both the activity you are actively looking for, as well as the activity you never even knew existed. DX adapts itself to the needs and jurisdiction of the client, allowing us to operate internationally from day one. And customers switch to us because of the unique insights our proprietary technology delivers. We align ourselves with our clients' success and are currently seeing a 75% reduction in false positives. We have a strong, repeatable sales process, which is based on our deep, deep understanding of the problems that the people we sell to are experiencing. Myself and Daniel began working together while heading the compliance and legal departments of the first German challenger bank. Tibby is an experienced CTO with over a decade of experience, and Trevor brings with him a depth and wealth of knowledge, having previously worked as Chief Risk Officer and a board member of HSBC. We are already experiencing a strong pull from the region and have established a proof of concept with one of the largest banks based out of the region. We have therefore made a decision to grow our team out of the UAE, and both Daniel and myself are bringing a leadership presence to the ground. We are also looking to establish further partnerships with any clients who want to be at the forefront of innovation, and are very keen to establish relationships with potential investors who believe they can bring something to the table in terms of experience and a strong network within the region. Thank you very much for listening, and come and join us at our virtual booth.